Hey guys, it's me, it's Scramble. So, this is a long story about my YouTube channel called Deleted. I made a new one, which is this one, and I am going to basically remake all of my old videos, the ones that also got a lot of views and stuff. So, this is one of those videos. This is the JoyToKey serial code, as you can probably read that in the description and in the video title. So, let's do it. Okay, so first of all, what you are going to do is open your browser. That's pretty simple. And then you're going to type in JoyToKey. Now, if you don't want to do this, I also have a link in the description for the website to download the application. Now, what JoyToKey does is it's pretty simple. You can plug in your gamepad and use that as your keyboard. So let's say if I want to press X on my gamepad, that we can bind that as spacebar or as 1 or as Q or any button on your keyboard. And this is useful for many people because not a lot of softwares actually support that. So like Ace Combat, it does not support. Like gamepads, some gamepads, you can rebind them, stuff like that. Some games don't have this, and yeah, you might, need it. So, okay, so this will be, I'll have this link in the description. So you're gonna download this, and when it's done, you're gonna open it. My internet's slow as hell right now, so yeah. Well, when you open it, you're gonna install it. That's pretty simple. You're just gonna install it like normal. Make sure to install it on C, or if you know what you're doing, you can install it on any other drive. But I recommend you install it on C drive. It's way easier to do stuff here. Make sure to create a desktop shortcut, then install it. It will take not even a few seconds. So now the thing is, this software is free, but well, you might need a code for it, because that will give you the whole software, every single feature of it. Some features are not available, which you need. So I'll give you the code. I also have this link in the description. So the code is somewhere here, right here. It's just the code. It's this. It's JTE4JTE4JTE4. I made a video about this a long time ago. It got a bunch of views, but well, my channel got deleted and I can't do anything about it. Sad. Now you're gonna put this in and press OK. And it would register your JoyToKey, so you don't have to download any shady stuff from any shady websites. This is a tutorial for that, for your own, for your own ease. Now, I'll recommend that you do everything I did in this video, so you don't get any kind of virus on your PC, because the websites, also, please don't search for JoyToKey crack. The websites are usually scams, and they are, viruses which steal your data and stuff like that. So here it is. Your software is now registered. You can fully use this. I don't have my joystick connected at the moment, or I would actually, show you how to use it and how it works. But I will make a video on that later on. So yeah, this is just a revamped version of my JoyToKey serial code video. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got what you wanted from this video. And just have a great day. Actually, have a great year. I'll see you later on. Bye till then. See you guys.